General Magalong, can you give us the names if they're here?
Opo. Mr. Chair, we have Police Superintendent Rodney Baloyo,
Stand up, please. I know you
Police,
stood up already. Stand up again.
Police Senior Inspector Ruben Bugnot de Guzman Jr.,
De Guzman, are you here? What is your rank? Can you speak louder? Police Lieutenant, at that time of the raid, what was your rank?
Police Senior Inspector, Your Honor.
Police Senior Inspector. All right.
SPO1,
Did you take your oath already? Okay, go ahead.
SPO1 Jules Maniago,
Yes. You've taken your oath, Mr. Maniago? Are you sure? All right, go ahead.
SPO1 Ronald Santos,
Ronald Santos, are you here? Is Ronald Santos here? Kindly issue a subpoena to Ronald Santos. Go ahead, please.
SPO1 Donald Roque,
We issue the subpoena to these people, right? That's enough? Right? Invited. All right. So, subpoena muna. Go ahead.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
SPO1 Donald Roque is present.
Mr. Roque? Donald Roque. Have you taken your oath, Donald? Okay.
SPO1 Romel Vital,
Have you taken your oath, sir? Thank you.
SPO1 Alcindor Tinio,
You've taken your oath, Mr. Tino? Please answer. Go ahead.
PO3 Dindo Dison,
Mr. Dizon, are you here? Dindo Dizon? Absent, all right?
PO3 Gilbert De Vera,
Have you taken your oath already? Okay.
PO3 Romeo Guerrero,
Have you taken your oath? Thank you, Mr. Guerrero.
PO2 Anthony Loleng Laksamana,
Mr. Laksamana, have you taken your oath? Okay.
SPO1 Eligio Dayos Valeroso,
Mr. Valerosa, are you here? Sound off, please. Don't wave at me. Sound off. Yes, sir. Thank you.
and
Sorry,
finally,
nag-ROTC ako, pinapractice ko lang. Go
yes,
ahead.
Mr. Chair, thank you. And finally, SPO1 Dante Dison.
Ayan. Okay, Dante Dizon. Thank you. So, dalawang absent. Si Santos at saka si Dizon. Sampina yan.